one of the best countries to work for all healthcare professionals, including dentists. Outstanding pay combined with amazing work-life balance makes it a lucrative country to migrate to. But do you know how you can become a dentist in USA and what you can expect out of it? Hello dentists, I am Nbde from Academically, and in today's video, this is specially for those global dentists who dream of setting up to practice in the USA. In this video, we will talk about different aspects concerned with dentists in the USA. So watch till the very end. First, let's talk figures. So the average salary of a dentist in the USA is around USD 2,30,000, which is around 2 crores INR. These numbers are a big reason people want to make the shift to the United States of America. But who can become a dentist in the US? If you have completed your BDS from any country, you need to pursue higher education in the US and clear the National Board of Dental Examination Nbde to get the registration here. Any dentist who has completed their BDS from a recognized university, institute and are registered in their home country can take up this process to get registered in the US. The steps involved in becoming a dentist in the USA includes the following. ECE-WES evaluation. This is the process where your documents will be evaluated to ensure authenticity. Prepare for the National Board of Dental Examination Nbde. Once you get permission from the board and all your documents are found authentic, you must apply for the Nbde exam. Take the Nbde board examinations. This step has two exams, Nbde 1 and Nbde 2, which you need to clear to get registered. Clear the English language test. English proficiency is mandatory for registration in the US, and you can also clear any exam like IELTS, OET, PTE, etc. Improve your competitiveness as an applicant. Create an outstanding CV and cover letter with your prior experience and achievements to make your application stand out. Apply to a US dental school program. The final step is to apply to a dental school program using your documents and your Nbde score. Now guys, one more important thing that you must keep in mind is that requirement of the state you are applying for, as every US state has a different eligibility requirement. Once you complete all these steps, you can pursue your higher studies in the US and become a registered dentist there. You can begin with an internship and then probably work in an established dental facility or even set up your own practice. So this was all you needed to know about a dentist in the USA and how you can become one. For more such informative videos, subscribe to our channel MedPrep for all the things dentists and doctors. If you are a dentist looking for the best career advancement opportunities, let us tell you about the ADC preparation course by Academically. We offer several courses for dentists and other healthcare professionals like pharmacists, doctors, physiotherapists, nurses, etc. who wish to make a healthcare career abroad. Visit our website through the link in the description below to explore our range to the courses. We will soon be back with another engaging video for dentists. Till then, goodbye, take care. This is Nbde signing off.